Bitcoin gets an unexpected hit from Tesla. Solana is bucking bearish trends. Enjin is rolling out NFTs for one of the GOATs of video games. Axie Efinity is in an uphill battle for its incoming upgrade. And the Meta Cricket League launches this week. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Altcoin Buzz is a crypto investing research company. So we are here to bring you the latest crypto updates for your trades and investments. And as early investors in the crypto space, we have an eye for potential opportunities that we want to share with you. Altcoin Buzz Access Pro is a hub for direct info on early gems, technical analysis, NFT mint opportunities, and more, with plans starting at $99 a month. You can sign up below or right here on the link on the screen. And please do smash the like, subscribe, and notification buttons so you're always up to date with our news, deep dives, and great offers. Just keep in mind that this is not investment advice. So let's get to the news. Thanks to Tesla, Bitcoin looks to be retesting a critical support at $22,800 after making some major moves to the 24K range this week. Now, where Tesla comes in is that its second quarter report shows the automaker liquidating 75% of its BTC holdings, amounting to roughly $936 million. So when the news broke, there's no doubt that it was a speed bump in Bitcoin's 15% rally this week. But in terms of its latest resistance, $22,800 marks the 200-week moving average for the BTC US dollar trading pair. And despite Bitcoin flipping that resistance in the last 48 hours, analysts are waiting to see how the token's latest bullish momentum could pump back up to 30K, since that is the nearest resistance level. Along with most of the market having a good week, Solana has been taking the cake for some of the biggest growth. Though choppy, the network has been notching gains of at least 20% throughout the last 30 days. And today's sold tokens are sitting in the low $40 range. But when it comes to on-chain activity, the Solana community has welcomed a 50% influx of new wallets, steadily climbing since the beginning of the year. This growth on Solana has been raising eyebrows, considering other top networks like BNB Chain and Ethereum have been seeing quite the opposite. While BNB wallets have tanked by 18%, and Ethereum wallets have been falling off by over 50%. One of the video game GOATs is finally getting the NFT treatment, and it's happening on Enjin. The NFT platform is partnering with Square Enix, the home of the Final Fantasy franchise, and the pair are reportedly working on releasing digital assets as well as physical action figures and trading cards with minted NFT codes that will commemorate the PlayStation game's 25th anniversary coming up. Those collectibles will reportedly launch for next spring. And as for the Final Fantasy NFTs, the assets will be minted on Enjin's new Efinity network, which is one of the first parachain slot winners on Polkadot. And we should see a limited edition drop of Cloud Strife NFTs in November of 2023. Axie Efinity is in for the ride of its life with its incoming upgrade. The NFT gaming platform will be deploying an upgrade to its NFT marketplace, which is intended to support NFT runes and charms through standard ERC 1155 tokens. Now, the downside to this is that every item in the marketplace will have to be taken down and users will have to relist their Axies. But the real challenge will be from how much Access and Smooth Love Potion tokens have fallen. SLP is down 98% since its all-time high of 3 cents last May, and even Access governance tokens are down 90% from its all-time high of $164 in November. And finally, virtual cricket is getting its big launch on the metaverse this Friday. The Meta Cricket League, the first play-to-earn esports game for cricket, is gearing up for its full launch. After releasing its beta version back in June, the MCL is a Guardian Link project found on its jump.trade NFT platform, which is also the home of Indian actor Amitabh Bachchan and Marvel creator Stan Lee's NFT collections. The MCL gives users the experience of playing with some of the biggest names in the sport as NFTs, where users can also earn daily rewards in US dollar Tether. The game is available on web and mobile platforms, with many opportunities to rack up rewards through playing cricket, or on its jump.trade NFT marketplace. You can find more info on this one-of-a-kind platform on the link in the description to get ready for the big launch. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. Now, if you enjoyed this video and want more insights for your crypto investing, please smash the like, subscribe, and notification buttons to get all our latest content. And have a look at the other updates and deep dives on our channel. Here are some videos to get started with. As always, this is not financial advice, but we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.